What's going on, guys? It's Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income. And today, I wanted to do a quick update video going over BCI International. If you guys haven't checked this out yet, I'm telling you, better get over here and check it out. And disclaimer before we start getting into this video, I'm not your financial advisor. I will or cannot tell you what you can do with your own money. So I just wanted to get that out there. Make sure you do your own research and your due diligence before you jump into any platform online. And that's my disclaimer. Now, let's dive into it. BCI International, guys, this is one of the biggest things that's on the internet right now. If you haven't signed up in this, I don't know what the hell you're waiting on, because this thing right here is blowing up everywhere. And if you don't believe me, just go to YouTube and check it out. I guarantee you put in BCI International right now, you will see it everywhere. There's hundreds of videos. There's thousands of people talking about this thing. This thing is huge, guys. I do not understand what you're waiting on. Do not be a tire kicker with this platform. There have been people hitting me up. They've been asking me how I've been making my money online. What do you do? How do you recruit? How do you do this? How do you do that? Okay. Now, guys, the number one way that if you want to get started is in this field, you gotta grow some balls. You gotta get on YouTube, guys, and you have to get on YouTube. You have to build your channel. You have to get yourself out there. That's just my opinion. You can take it and run with it. That's what I'm going to do. And then there's other several ways that you can use to get your stuff out there. You can do, you can start your Discord, you can start your Telegram, Facebook, all of that, whatever the case may be. But guys, this right here, YouTube, in my opinion, and this is all that I'm pretty much going to be doing, is YouTube is going to be your number one venture, okay? Your number one platform to get this thing out here, okay, guys? Now, BCI International, guys, this is something that you want to get into because you will get paid regardless if you refer anybody or not, okay? The platform pays up to 1.5% per day, Monday through Friday. Very simple. They have real trades. They're doing their trades. They have everything in the background. They're showing you trades. They're showing you how to do everything. So all of this, in my opinion, is legit. But like I said, we know how crypto is. Crypto is risky. So you make sure that you go out here and you check and make sure this is something that you want to get in. I feel comfortable with it. You might not feel comfortable with it or whatever, but I'm in it. I'm going to go and I'm going to ride this thing till the wheels fall off, but I'm going to make some money with this platform, guys. And that's why you see it. I know you hear it in my voice. You see how excited I am. I'm not worried. I'm going to do what I got to do. All right. Now, I already got in the binary. I'm done. I got my two. I'm not saying I'm done with just two, but I got my two people here ready to rock and roll. They're going. So my binary is ready to go. So now we're fixing to get in this thing and we're fixing to get it to go rocking and rolling and take it to the next level, guys. Now, if you have not jumped in here, I will leave the link in the description below. You can sign up for free. You can come over here and check out the back office and the platform and see if this is something that you want to get into. Okay, so now I came in with $500, guys. That's what I started with, and I just wanted to give you a heads up. If you guys jump in, that it's going to take 7 days before your packages start accumulating your interest. Okay, guys. So just when you get in, don't get mad because you're not making money right away. It's going to take 7 days before it to kick in, and then it'll start showing up in your back office. All right. Now, then the number one thing is you get into this thing and you hustle and you grind and you do whatever it is that you want to do. But if you guys don't want to recruit, then yeah, you're going to have to come in with a little bit more money. Okay. Now they have packages that start off at $25. The $25 packages is cool. There's nothing wrong with it. Get in, get your feet wet, rock and roll this thing, and then you can build from there. But I just want to let you guys know, I mean, you at least want to come in at the $500 level, okay? Once you come in at the $500 level, you'll be able to build a little bit faster and be able to take the thing to the next level. And that's just if you're not into recruiting, okay? If you're not into recruiting and you don't want to sign anybody up and you don't want to deal with nothing, you just want to earn the 1.5% per day or up to 1.5% per day, then you take that $500 and you go sit that over there and then you start doing whatever it is that you do to start building your account. Okay, guys, that's what you have to do. That's what you have to focus on. Take it to the next level with this thing because it's blowing up. Now we're gonna take a look over here at the packages, guys. It's very simple. It's crypto in, it's crypto out. So it's bam, boom, bada bing. We're in here, we're out, we're rocking and rolling. Now they also going to be having something else come to the platform, which we'll talk about in another video. This e-gaming packaging, guys, that looks real interesting, guys. That looks real interesting. We definitely gonna take a look at that in another video. But let's hop right into these packages. Now you have the packages, the Hybrid Pack Easy Pro that starts off at $25. You can get in here, you can buy as many of these as you want to, and I think it goes up to 250 is the max that you can buy on this particular package. You know, that's what you want to do, whatever. But then this is the package that I started at, the Hybrid Pack Starter. This one pays out 140% per day, and the return on or ROI on it is 135%, and it pays out Monday through Friday. So it pays out Monday through Friday, so you don't get paid on the weekends. You know, so over here it's 135 days. You see how the days are going up. So when you start here, this one's at 135, this one's at 140, and then you see the ROI goes up from 130 to 135. All right, now they have the Hybrid Pack Pro. This one starts at $5,000 to up to $7,000, I believe, or up to $70,000, I believe. And then you have the Hybrid Pack Leader, and this is the $10,000 and up. You know, this is the highest income. This one is this one has 150 days on it. ROI is 140%. Remember, Monday through Friday. You can still pull your money out on the weekend, so that's kosher there. And then the same thing here, $10,000, 160 days. You get 145 ROI back Monday through Friday. You can still pull out on the weekends. Now, guys, this is my goal. Excuse me. My goal is to get to this one. This is where I'm going. Forget all the other hoopla. Forget everything else. This is where I'm going. I'm gunning for this one, and I'm not gonna stop until I get there. And it's gonna be grinding. It's gonna take a little bit, but I'm going to get here. And when I get here, then you're gonna see the power of this and how this platform is going to really start working. Now, if you guys get out here and you start grinding and you set your goal for this $10,000 mark, guys, that is $150 a day, 5 days a week. Now, I don't care when any one of you say, you could say that's not a lot of money or whatever. I get it. You can say, oh, that's, you know, $150 a day. Oh, I make that at my job. Okay, well, yeah, make that $150 at your job a day plus making on here. So now you're making what, $300 a day? So if $300 a day can't change your life, then I don't understand what could. I mean, hell, I would take $300 a day easy, and I wouldn't even sneeze at it. I wouldn't complain. I wouldn't do nothing. I wouldn't say a word. I'd just collect my money and put it in the bank and stack it on up. That's what I would do. So if you guys don't understand the power of compounding and the power of this platform, it's very simple, guys. This is the platform. VCI is the platform. This is the platform. EXP Assets is the platform. FX Trader is the platform. Those are the three platforms that are booming right now. Okay, guys, those are the three that are booming right now. So I don't understand. You got to put your big boy pants on or your big girl pants, and it's time to boss up and let's go get this money. And I said, then that's the way we're gonna have to do it. So come on over here, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Definitely hit the like button, guys. Leave me some comments in below if you got any questions, and we can definitely answer them. I'm here. Ain't nobody running away. This is where we're at. We're gonna do our thing. I just wanted to send a big shout out to my main man, the Oracle. If you guys ain't checked out the Oracle, definitely go over there and go check out his channel, because that guy here, he's awesome, man. He has great content. Definitely, I mess with Jamie. If you guys know about Jamie, he's on I think it's a passive something. I can't remember the full name. Go over there, go check out Jamie, guys. That guy real interesting, has a lot of good platforms out there. And by me following those two guys, Jamie and the Oracle, it helped me kind of diversify and get into these different platforms and take it to the next level, guys. And that's what helped me, because I started seeing the light, and once it caught, it took off, and now I see what's going on. So big shout out to the Oracle, the big shout out to Jamie. Y'all go over there and go check their channels out. This Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income. I'll see you guys in the next video.